World Bank targets learning poverty. The World Bank in October 2019 launched a new global target to reduce the learning poverty by half by 2030. In simple words, learning poverty is defined as inability of a 10-year-old to read and understand a simple text. It is an indicator that combines both schooling and learning indicators. It combines the share of children who have not achieved minimum reading proficiency in schools and proportion of children who are out of schools. According to UNESCO data, 53% of the children in low and middle income countries are suffering from learning poverty. Importance of defining learning poverty at individual level. Reading is the key foundation to other foundational skills like numeracy, reasoning, socio-emotional skills, etc. Education is directly related to higher productivity, economic competitiveness, employment, health, and better civic engagement. Pathway for social mobility. Societal level, learning crisis is the formative years is the leading cause of low levels of human capital formation. Besides, learning crisis also undermines sustainable growth and poverty reduction. As a result, learning crisis will have huge economic cost for countries. What is human capital? Human capital score of say 0.5 means that a child who is born today will be only 50% productive by the age of 18 as he or she would be have he or she received complete education and full health. The global human capital score is only 0.56 currently. India ranks 115 out of 157 countries in the Human Capital Index 2018 with a human capital score of 0.44. Steps taken by India. Right to education has ensured the increased enrollment levels. Now the focus is shifting to quality. In this direction, India has joined the PISA 2021 for effective measurement of learning outcomes. PISA, Global Education Evaluation System conducted by OECD, which measures reading literacy, science literacy, and numerical literacy. Besides, in May 2018, India also launched the Samagra Shiksha, an integrated scheme for school education from preschool to senior secondary levels. It subsumes the three schemes of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, and teacher education. The main emphasis is on improving the quality of school education by focusing on the two T's, teacher and technology. The way forward, learners to be prepared and motivated to learn through early childhood education, nutrition and stimulation. Teachers at all levels should be effective and valued. Schools should be safe and inclusive. Classrooms should be equipped for learning. Teach children in the language they speak and understand. Ensure timely access to more and better age and skill appropriate text and readers. Assure political commitment to literacy.